Throughout history, esteemed teachers and avatars, both past and present, have shared the transformative technique of visualization. This powerful method allows individuals to create vivid mental images of their deepest desires, instilling thoughts and emotions as though they already possess them. Visualization is essentially concentrated thought, manifested as images, which, in turn, evoke equally powerful emotions. When you engage in visualization, you emit a potent frequency into the universe, which then captures this signal and reflects those images back to you, just as you initially envisioned them. Dr. Denis Waitley recounted a fascinating story in his work about adapting the visualization process from the Apollo program for use in the Olympic program during the 1980s and 90s. This method, known as visual motor rehearsal, involved Olympic athletes mentally running their events while connected to advanced biofeedback equipment. Astonishingly, the athletes' muscles fired in the same sequence as they would during an actual race. This demonstrated that the mind cannot distinguish between genuine practice and imagined rehearsal. Consider the journeys of famous inventors and their groundbreaking creations. The Wright brothers with their airplane, George Eastman with film, Thomas Edison with the light bulb, and Alexander Graham Bell with the telephone. Each invention began as a mental image. By steadfastly maintaining this image, the forces of the universe collaborated to bring their inventions to fruition. These visionaries possessed profound faith in the unseen and believed in their ability to harness universal forces to realize their visions. Their creativity and faith have driven human progress, and we continue to benefit from their innovations every day. To further illustrate, Thomas Edison didn't invent the electric light bulb in a conventional sense. Initially, it existed as a possibility in consciousness. Edison accessed this possibility, forming it into a detailed mental image through deep concentration, and from there, it materialized as a tangible object. You might think that you lack the imaginative capacity of these great inventors, believing they could envision things you cannot. However, the truth is that you possess the same, if not greater, mental faculties. When you visualize, concentrate solely on the end result. For example, observe the back of your hands, noting details like skin color, blood vessels, rings, and fingernails. Close your eyes and visualize your hands firmly gripping the steering wheel of your dream car. This holographic experience feels so vivid that you don't even feel the need for the physical car because it seems you already own it. By seeing and feeling this image in your mind, you bring yourself to a state of believing you have it now. You cultivate trust and faith in the universe by focusing on the end result and experiencing that feeling without concerning yourself with how it will materialize. Your mental image is seeing it as done, your feelings are seeing it as done, and your entire state of being perceives it as already happened. This is the art of visualization. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative. Please share it with friends and family who might benefit. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and we will assist as quickly as possible.